Hello everyone, Rebecca here with another monstery arty idea for you. And as always, it's going to be made by recycling and reusing some old bits and pieces that you'll have lying around at home. There's one other thing we'll need. Our good friend Murphy.
Hey, that gives me a monster idea.
I thought it might.
Let's get monster making. Hi!
It's a gloved dinosaur. First, we'll need a glove, coloured card and stickers. On a piece of card, draw 2 leg shapes. We can also draw a curvy triangle on purple card. That will be the tail.
Now for some monster cutting magic.
Brilliant! And make sure you ask a grown-up to help you use scissors when you cut them out.
I was hoping you'd say that.
We can carefully cut spiky triangles from this yellow card. Now we can stick these pieces to our glove. Let's start with the tail. Then the legs. And the spikes along the tail. And on the top of each finger.
Sticky, sticky, stick, stick.
We can add some details to the dinosaur's body by using stickers. We can also use stickers for eyes. There we have it. One gloved dinosaur all done.
Well, my monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific. Why don't you try making your own too?
Bye!